Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're not going to be reviewing anything, but rather we're going to be talking about a mystery called UVB 76, better known as the Buzzer. The Buzzer is a station, I believe in central Russia, that has been emitting a radio signal, for the past 40 years. So I'm just going to show you a documentary about it that I have. But before we start with the documentary, I want to show you how it sounds. So I have my vintage radio here. Let's stop right here.
One of the greatest mysteries of the 20th century is often referred to as the Buzzer. This is an AM radio station located in Russia. It has been on air since 1982 and its purpose is unknown. In Russia, it is more commonly called UVB 76. This station's only broadcast is a repeating buzzer sound that continues 24 hours a day. There are various speculations as to the purpose of the buzzer, some as extreme as claiming that the station is used to communicate with living beings from outer space. Others believe that this station is used for experiments involving time travel. Here is a sample of a UVB 76 broadcast. Sometimes, the buzzer is interrupted by a voice. The voice calls out names or numbers. The AM broadcast can be heard deep into the surrounding cities, more clearly at night. Legend says that the names being called out by the voice belong to those who will die shortly. Other legends claim that different people hear different names during the same broadcast, and anyone that hears their name called out will suffer a terrible curse. The buzzer has reportedly been heard around Europe as far as Western Italy. In the UK, some of the station's observers have reported that the UVB 76 broadcast has been heard inside car radios just before those cars have accidents. Even when the radio is not tuned to UVB 76, and with the radio turned off, accident victims have claimed that their car radio turned on and they heard the buzzer just before tragedy struck. To this day, the mystery of the buzzer and its purpose and effects on society remain unresolved. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.